Pythagorean theorem. Used to find the missing sides. Okay, so we can find missing sides. What kind of a triangle do I have to have? I have to have a right triangle. Okay, A and B are my what? Legs. C is my, oh, look at you guys remembering. C is my hypotenuse. What is the Pythagorean theorem? A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Alright, so how am I going to set up number one? What? A squared, which is 64 plus 1 what? 69 equals x squared. So 64 plus 169. 233 equals x squared. X is so they're going to want your answers to the nearest 10. So 15.3. Alright, you need to show this much work. Okay? I understand that you can do a lot of this right in your calculator. Okay? And I'm totally okay with that, without a doubt. Just write down what you're punching into your calculator. Okay? So this part right here, we did in our heads. But we just wrote down 64 plus 169. And then just write down what number did you get, so I know what number are you taking the square root of to get your answer. Deal? Alright. I know we've done it. I know you can do a lot of it in your calculator. Let's look at number 5. I'm not going to bore you with this all day because we have done it. How on earth am I going to do number 5? Because I don't have a right triangle. Okay, so what is this at? 11. So there's my right angle. So I can set this up as 1 squared plus x squared. Okay, so what is my 11 squared? 121 plus x squared equals, which is, what is it? 76. So I've got to subtract, so x squared equals 455. So my x is 21.3. Did everybody else get that? Are you sure? All right. All right, this guy. Uh-oh. Where do we even start? Huh? Yes, so you're saying this inside, which inside? The two inside triangles. So you guys are saying find this side? Okay. So we can call this A. So how am I going to set that one up? $196. So A squared is 52. So A is 7 what? 2? Alright. So I have that little guy right now. What else do I need? Okay, so I gotta find that guy. So now I'm setting it up as 144 plus B squared equals 841. So B squared is 697. B is 26 point what? 4. so what am I going to do with those two numbers? Because now I have A and I have B, but I need the whole thing. Okay, so if I add them, I get 33.6. So to get some of these sides today, we're going to have to find some littler parts. Make sense? All right, let's go to. All right, so a roofer leans a 16-foot ladder against the house. Okay, so this is my house. And this is my ladder. Okay, where do I put my 16? On the hypotenuse, because my ladder is 16 feet, right? So that's where my 16 goes. It says if the base of the ladder is 5 feet from the house. Where does that go? Down here. And I'm looking how high up on the house does the ladder reach. Drawing pictures for these will help immensely. Okay? So x squared plus 25 equals 56. X squared equals 31. X is 15.2. 15.2 what? Feet. Remember, if you have application problems, make sure that you label your answer. But let's look at number. Oh, there's one like it on here. All right, that's okay. You guys get how to do these? Yes? All right. This is the part that's new. All right. If c squared equals a squared plus b squared, what kind of triangle do I have? We have a right triangle. That's the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. Okay? I can then go from there. I can classify my other triangles as obtuse or acute. Okay? If c squared, oh, that's not a c. If c squared is greater than a squared plus b squared, then my triangle is going to be obtuse. Okay, if c squared is less than a squared plus b squared, then my triangle will be acute. Okay? Biggest thing on this, try to keep your c squared on the left-hand side. Okay, otherwise it's going to be confusing of, oh my gosh, which one's which. Okay? How do you know which one's c? It's the biggest one. Okay? So, first of all, check to see if it's even possible to be a triangle. Does 3 plus 7, is it greater than 9? So we're good there. So it is a triangle. Okay, so now we have to check which one's my hypotenuse? 9. So we've got to check is 9 squared, and then I would be the blank. 3 squared plus 7 squared. So 9 squared is 81. 9 plus 49. So 81 is greater than or less than or equal to? It's greater than, so that makes it obtuse. Okay? Which one's my C? 29. So 29 squared is 841. Leave a blank. 20 squared is 400 plus 21 squared is 441. Okay, so what symbol goes in between? They're equal, which makes it a right triangle. Okay. 4 plus 11 is 15. What can I say about this? It's not a triangle. Can't be. My two little ones have to be bigger than my third one. Horrible stuff